Hello friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Aarti Kaur. In this video, we will discuss about qualities of sales professionals. If we talk about the job of sales, there are certain qualities that need to be required in the salesperson in order to be successful or in order to create sales. Number one is patience. Patience is very much required. A sales manager or sales executive should be extremely patient, and he should have good listening skills and understand the queries or problems of the salesman and give them time to think and decide. Second quality that is essential is people oriented. Salesman should be customer oriented, and he should understand the needs and expectation of the customers. Instead of imposing things, he need to understand the point of view of customers. Salesperson should be caring and kind towards the consumers. He should not focus on the selfish targets, but instead of that, he should be honest in his approach. Number third is aggressive. Salesperson should be aggressive in the context that he should be energetic. Lazy individuals are not able to be a good sales professional, or they're not target oriented. He should be very energetic, very enthusiastic, full of zeal and enthusiasm. Number fourth is optimistic. Salespersons should be optimistic, or he or she should see the positive side of the picture. So he should learn from his previous experiences, previous mistakes, and move on. Next is number five, that is value time. So it is very important the salesman should value time. And if you have given time to a client for a meeting and you're reaching late, being a sales professional, so it creates very bad impression in the eyes of customer. So you need to be on time. Next is sense of commitment. Sales representative should be committed towards his customer, and commitment is very essential in this area of work. Next is reliable. The customer must be able to rely or depend on the sales professional, or he or she should be trustworthy, because in sales and job of sales, trust building plays a very important role. Next is flexible. Sales professional must know how to change his sales pitch as per the clients, or he or she should know how to approach the customer. One plan, one idea will not work everywhere. We need to customize ourselves or our product and offering as per the requirement by the customers, or as per the needs and want of the customers. So he should be flexible to change or adaptable to change. That is very essential characteristics. Next is be transparent. Sales professionals should be transparent in order to avoid the future problems. If we are hiding some important details, some terms and conditions, so one time we can do the sale, but after that in long term we are not able to do the sale on the basis of hidden truth, facts, less lack of transparency. So we should only convey what is required or what our product or service is offering. Next is diligent. Diligent means he should have uh, work towards the efforts, or meet people, make clients. If a salesman tries to sit in the office only, it will not work. He has to go out of the field, work hard, and complete the sales targets. So he should achieve sales targets by going in the field, by spending maximum time in the fields. Last is good communicator. Sales person professional should be a good communicator, because good communication skills plays a very important role here, as he has to give presentation, explain his customers about the product and offerings. He should be very careful about the pitch, about the tone of the voice, as it plays a very important role. Sometimes when we see the normal things but the pitch and voice is very high, then it creates a negative impression. So you need to be very careful about that. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.